Flashcards are no longer boring with Octagon 4D Plus. Created by Octagon Studio, Animal 4D Plus is a fast and lightweight application that allows you to scan the printed animal cards and witness how the animals come alive right before your eyes. The Animal 4D Plus application brings you a new way of seeing animals in augmented reality. This gives you an unforgettable experience and will always leave a smile on the faces of children and adults alike.
Zebra.
Animal 4D Plus gives you both interesting and informative facts about animals through A to Z,
Kangaroo.
such as the ant, giraffe, horse, elephant,
Iguana.
and iguana. With the scan option and using the Animal 4D Plus cards, the animals spring to life. Have a giraffe on the palm of your hand, or maybe you prefer a lion instant. You can scan a number of cards at once. Why not make a zoo out of it? Examine some of these animals up close with the 3D option. This turns the 2D sketch into a 3D moving animation, which allows you to spin, turn, and zoom in and out of each animal.
Vulture.
Bear. Horse. Elephant. Elephant. Horse.